Hi, this is Mitra Shahi at Maison Interior Design. I started in Tucson, Arizona and got my degree in civil engineering from University of Arizona. I worked as an engineer for a few years. However, at some point, it just felt that it wasn't enough. I wasn't passionate about the field that I was in. I decided to pursue in getting my degree in MBA law. Meanwhile, I got a job at my brother's store, Right Gallery in Tucson, Arizona, to gain some business experience. That's where I found my passion, interior design, because I ended up working with a lot of designers and I helped and assist them in picking the right pieces for their projects. So, 18 years ago, I packed my life and moved to Los Angeles to start a new life and a new business. As everybody would know, starting a new business has a lot of difficulties, and I faced many challenges along the way. I worked hard to get my design firm to a place where it is now. When I reflect on my professional and personal life, I can't help but to think of my two boys who are 14 and 17 and the young men they're growing up to be. They started their own foundation a couple of years ago called Children of Tomorrow Foundation. This foundation serves children in Los Angeles County and provides basic needs for them. Their hard work and dedication to this cause is very close to my heart, and it's a big reflection of how I feel about our community here. Now the question is, what do we do at Maison Interior Design? We do construction management and interior design. What does it mean? It means we manage a small remodels such as kitchens, bathroom, to building, residential, commercial, and healthcare facilities. We work with architects, engineers, city, and builders. During the construction, we manage the schedule and the purchasing and the selection and anything in between. So basically what we do, we take the headache away from the client. Our showroom is filled with many unique pieces. I'm proud to say that Maison Interior Design has become a place for everyone to come and be inspired and creative when it comes down to their home. Thank you for taking the time to listen and learn about Maison Interior Design. Please follow us on the social media links below, and we'll see you next time.